car is packed with all of the important items, including these two, the most important. Hi. But Flintstone would argue the most important item is his life jacket, and Copper would argue the most important item is his food. So. I tried to walk back to camp by myself and I got us lost. The squirrels got into our peanut butter. Oh no, the claw marks. Our peanut butter, not the peanut butter. And then also, we already had hot dogs, so like no worries, but Ella,
we do not have hamburger buns now. They ate the entire thing except 3 of them.
It's okay, they saved the donuts though. So it's fine.
But
it's almost 2.5, don't worry.
We haven't had our hamburgers yet. I made a fire with Ella's help, but I did it as well as Ella. But I participated.
You did it. You 10 out of 10 did it.
Yay! It looks so nice. I'm so excited. I hope they wake up soon.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. So happy. Break. 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 Flintstone, come on, man. Break. marshmallow tree. And how are you gonna roast it? Can we see? Oh my goodness.
Hello.
Are you gonna... Kona's confused, just like I am.
She wants the stick and also the marshmallows.
It'll be a rotate.
She's like, wow, I didn't know marshmallows grew on trees.
She has such a judgmental look on her face right now.
She
She's
always
like,
looks
"What's
like that. She has
happening?"
major RBF. He said I like having windows.
Flintstone.
You too. Stop chewing at the side. Not cool.
What are we doing in there?
Thank you.
Men.
No, you don't want it? He just wants egg. Bro, what the hell?
Oh, he's going for the lick mat.
No fucking way.
No!
Hey! Oh my god! Kona said I'll get him. Hey, why don't you finish this? Oh my fucking god. Maybe they just steal Copper's bag of food.
So smart. Good job. You're so smart, Vinny. Wow. Oh, you're so good. So good. We're here for the vlog. It's what the damn.
It's giving day them.
Can you do that?
Yeah. But I can also try and light a stick on fire. Send help.
Send help. Look at the little fire.
It's so shitty. We were not made for the wilderness.
We did it.
Can you bring me the bug spray? I'm dying. We did mediocre.
Like, and then we have this guy.
Night night.
These are my boys. These dogs are eat me. Hi, baby.
Come back! Come here!
Come back, honey. Come here. Flintstone, come here. Copper, can you believe this? Flinty, come back. Come here. Flintstone, come here, please. Unbelievable. Thank you. I cannot believe his leash came off in the water and we thought it was gone forever. Flinty, are you real? Are you real? You feel like not a real thing.
Fuck you, Mom. Eat shit. You want it on there?
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Where's my son going? On an adventure.
Flintstone, honey. I love you very much. Hey, heel. Good job. Relieve the dead fish. Good job. It's a firefly on the outside of the tent. Oh my god. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? It was so cool. Where'd you go? He left. Now we're back home and all I want is to be back at Wheatley Park with my friends. No one gets me like they do and I am so grateful for any amount of time I get to spend with Oliver, Ella, and Charlie. Being around them feels easy, it feels safe. Whether we're laughing over nothing, chasing dogs through the water, or just sitting quietly in the sun, it always feels like exactly where I'm supposed to be. Coming home after that kind of connection is so hard. I miss the chaos, the comfort, the way we just get each other without having to explain anything. But I'm holding on to every moment, every memory, every second of laughter. Until next time, Wheatley, and until next time, guys,